Everyone, welcome to Pysmart, your go-to hub for real-world development tutorials. I'm Samuel, a full-stack developer skilled in Python, Django, PHP, and Laravel. Django is not different from Python. Actually, Python is the coding language, while Django is the library. PHP is a coding language. Laravel is a library. So in this very first video, we are going to be learning how to create our first Django project step by step, starting from installing Django, creating virtual environment, and running the server. If you are completely new to Django, don't worry, I'll be explaining everything in simple terms. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notification, because every week we'll be dropping something amazing. So before we get started, it's important to understand what Django is all about. Django is a Python framework that helps you build powerful applications very fast, because it handles a lot of things for you. Something like connecting database, managing user authentication, and creating web pages, and much more. So you as a Django developer, you only focus on writing your app logic instead of building everything from scratch. So basically, Django gives you all the tools necessary to building websites like blogs, e-commerce, portfolios, and dashboards. Alright, so creating our first project, you just have to create a folder, just like what I'll be doing right now. Just name it anything you want. Let's say second. Then you open up your folder with VS Code. You can just type CMD here, then type code and dots. Alright, so that will open up your virtual your VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Alright, so after that, you open up your terminal. Django is all about terminal. Alright, so we are going straight to the next step, that's creating your virtual environment. First of all, what is a virtual environment? Virtual environment is just like a small box that helps stores all the dependencies you're going to be installing. Let's take, for instance, you want to install a Django 4.5 and a different Django 5.0. If you are installing them directly into your local computer, there will be a conflict. So the virtual environment makes it possible for you to have each workspace for each project you are working on. So let's create a virtual environment. Before creating virtual environment, ensure you have already downloaded and installed Python into your computer. So creating virtual environment, you use Python -m virtual environment. Then you can name a virtual environment whatever you want to name it. For me, I will name it VENV. So you tap enter. Once that is created, you have to activate. Let's just wait a little while this virtual environment. Alright, it's created. For some of us, we might experience this error if we want to activate our virtual environment. First, to activate your virtual environment, the same name you used, just like alright, this how to activate your virtual environment. Your name, VENV scripts, and activate. But for most of us, we will face this error, but there's a way to bypass the error. You can use the code you are seeing on the screen. Set execution policy, scope, process, execution policy bypass, and that's fixed. So let's activate our, you see it's activated VENV/scripts. if you check your the Explorer, you see script here and you see activate. All right, so since it's activated, let's clean this up. Then you can install your Django using pip install Django. Okay, if you are getting this error, it means you are not connected to the internet, so ensure you are connected to the internet. All right, so we'll try again. Pip install Django, and Django is installing right away. A little more time. Let's wait for the Django to install. You just have to take note of this step. First of all, you create a folder, you go into the folder, then you create your virtual environment. After that, you activate your virtual environment, then you install Django. Now we have installed Django, then we can now write on Django. You say Django admin start project, then name the project whatever you want to name it. I use my site. All right, my site has been created, so we are going to open up my site folder that we just created, my site project. All right, so you say cd all right, you use tab and that will come out. So now for us to know that okay, this is created, we just have to run the code python manage.py run server. If it runs, it means that we've successfully created. All right, we've successfully set up our Django development workspace. So once you just control click, it will open up. Installation successful. So this is how to create your first Django application. If you know that this video is helpful to you, kindly leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.